I'd like to thank you for coming to our symposium. This year is about new technologies.
We really haven't cracked the code of science yet. And I say yet because I think you're going to see some presentations following that really start to speak to that idea of what's possible now and what we could potentially do if we could crack through and really get to understand the nuance of what makes humans more human. So most people, when they see something that's just beyond their capability, will default to, oh my God, if I don't do this right, or if I fall short, or if I fail, it creates an anxiety response. What's the cause of that anxiety response? The fact that if they make a mistake, they see themselves as failing.
As we make machines smarter, we may just have a chance to create smarter humans as well. And in order to do that, we need to create an interface to our brain so that AI can interact with our brain. Throughout history, we have used our mind to build and improve things. Soon, we'll be able to build things that improve our mind.
The vision was to land a spacecraft, which is a scientific project. But the main goal from the beginning was to inspire kids and young students, high school students and even less, to choose to learn science.
The function of this enzyme, like any other enzyme that has to have a specific functions, is cell division, cell growth, cell multiplication, cell adhesion, cell penetration into other tissues. And if you notice, this is all the stuff that cancer cells do out of control and very fast.
We always complain about how cancer cells are difficult to eradicate. They're very creative, and no matter what you do, they're going to come back or relapse and all of that. You know what? We should be very thankful for that.
Whenever we were seeing some kind of rejection, we could see some viral activity. And at that time now we had the technology to evaluate viruses based on their activities, not only the presence of DNA. We teach our residents to hate microorganisms, and that has to change. We really teach them to kill our best friends.
I kept seeing problems over and over in my own practice with inflammation, bleeding gums, dry mouth, all sorts of things. There has to be a better way. As a periodontist, as someone who's been the chairman of the perio department at USC, what are you suggesting to your patients? And his answer to me was actually very surprising. It was sea salt with water.
So what we've done here is we've basically shrunk the entire dental office into a small, easily carryable, luggage-sized box where we can not only do fillings, cleanings, extractions, whitening, but a myriad of other procedures.